Lex, look at me.
Don't shoot me. I know, Lex. I'm gonna do it for you.
Lex, look.
I'm gonna knock this thing down for you.
Uh-oh.
Knock it down.
Now I can't see you.
I didn't do it. Ah! Watch out.
That's so cool. Ain't that cool?
Oh, you mean to get to the next level?
I'm good at that one.
No, watch.
Look at that incredible game. Alright, Cookie.